Hey everybody, Taylor with KC here, and today in this video we're going to be checking out a brand new product. This is our universal wire hider, and now the product is as simple as it sounds. It hides your wires. So what it is a rubber extrusion that's 3.3 feet in length, a meter long, and it has an internal channel in it so that you can run your wires through it. Now we designed it to be used in applications like on your windshield. When you have an above the windshield light bar, you can go ahead and tuck your wires cleanly in here so it provides a nice clean factory look. But you can also use it on your frame. You can also use it on a roof rack or anything like that. So we're gonna show you how to install this real quick here. It's very simple. It's only a 5-10 minute job. And really the biggest thing is to make sure that your surface is cleaned really well beforehand. We also include the 3M adhesive tape in here so you have everything that you need in order to cleanly install the universal wire hider. So let's go ahead and clean the Jeep off, clean the windshield off, and make sure that our surface is nice and prepped, and then we'll go ahead and install this and keep those wires nice and clean and protected. Once you have finished cleaning off the mounting surface with isopropyl alcohol or similar, then you can cut the wire hider down to the length that you'll need. Any good pair of scissors or utility blade will do the trick here. Then, measure out how much of the 3M VHB tape that you'll need and start applying the strips to the back of the wire hider in the channel that it's meant to go in. Only peel off and reveal the sticky tape on one side for now until you're completely finished and ready to stick it onto the vehicle. Once you've prepped the wire hider for installation, you can then mount it onto your windshield or other mounting surface by peeling the other side of the tape and pressing it firmly onto the surface. Make sure that you press and hold it for at least 30 seconds to ensure that the wire hider is fully adhered. After it's completely stuck on, then go ahead and tuck your wires into the channel to get them nice and out of sight. If you have any questions about the wire hider, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to adventure further.